Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take the cover off, and as doing that, I'm going to also show you how to take the leg off as well. So to take the cover off, first you need to take all the legs off, and I've already taken a few of them off just to save time. But to take the leg off, you pull the leg up so you can see the spring, and then you'll bend the leg over the spring so it holds the spring from retracting, and then you can pull the leg off pretty easily, and then set that aside. And then the cover, so the old cover should just slide off. You'll just need to pull it off of each of the leg mounts. So I won't pull it all the way off. So then you can just stretch the new cover over. Make sure to line up the holes for the legs. So it should pull over without too much effort. And then you'll need to reattach the legs. So you'll just take the spring again and slide it into the hole, if you can see that, and then just pull on the leg and slide it in. So here's another one. So if you just take the leg spring, slide it into the hole, and then pull on the leg itself, and then slide it back over the mount. So that should work, but again, to replace the cover, you'll need to remove all 6 of the legs.